Yeah, and here in the United States, that Pfizer vaccine could be approved later this week. We have WMAR2 News' Megan Knight live at the Inner Harbor right now. And Megan, you heard Ashley talk about the plan that's now being implemented over there in England, and it sounds pretty similar to what health experts are starting to talk about here.
Yeah, Christian, that's right. State leaders want to be able to hit the ground running as soon as those vaccines are available and here in the state. And it's certainly going to take a lot of a coordination effort and logistical effort as well, especially because people need to get 2 doses of the vaccine. And we're going to hear more details later this afternoon when Governor Hogan has his news conference to talk about what the plan is to roll out the vaccine once it is available. But we did get a little preview yesterday from some state health leaders during a virtual panel yesterday explaining that they're going to be breaking up the vaccine into phases. So phase 1 will be those top priority people like healthcare workers and long-term care residents and first responders. And then phase 2 is going to be other essential workers. So, bus drivers, teachers, people like that. They are also creating a vaccination information system to keep track of who's getting the shot and when,
which we will use at local health departments to both schedule patients, but also then to send out reminders to bring them back. And it will all help us, track to make sure that they get not only the first dose, but the right second dose, because it has to be the same vaccine the second time around as well.
Yeah, it will only be effective if you really get those 2 doses of the vaccine. Now, getting additional rounds of the vaccine from Pfizer could be problematic here in the United States. ABC News reporting that the Trump administration did not lock in a chance to buy millions more of the vaccine. They're trying to reverse that decision, but Pfizer might have difficulty in making that happen because they have to fulfill other contracts to other countries. Now, once the FDA does approve Pfizer's vaccine, which again could happen by the end of the week, they'll be releasing 100 million doses across the country. So they'll be able to vaccinate about 50 million people. And here in Maryland, we're expecting to get about 155,000 doses of that vaccine. We're live at the Inner Harbor. I'm Megan Knight, WMAR2 News.